Welcome aboard Celebrity Xcel. This is going to be a panoramic ocean view room. So what I want you to see is the difference between this and an infinite veranda room is really the window doesn't move. On an infinite veranda room, this would actually be able to come up and down. In this room, the window is stationary, and the only thing that this window can do is close a blackout shade to come down, give you a little bit more privacy, make the room a little bit darker if you're wanting to take a nap or sleep in later in the morning. Otherwise, you're gonna get your standard bed, you have a lounger couch, you're gonna have your desk with your Chester drawers here. Then as you first come in, you'll see on this corner, it's very easy to miss. You're gonna have a ton of storage here. Across from the couch, we're gonna have the closet. The closet's actually a pretty decent size. It has a full-length mirror on one side. This opens up almost 180 degrees. You have your drawers, your safe, plenty of room for long hang-ups and short hang-ups as well. So this is a nice size closet, especially for these type of sailings. As you come into the bathroom, you'll notice this is a nice bubble-shaped shower, almost like those old tube showers, but it's actually bumped out quite a bit. Now, unlike the new Royal Icon ships, this doesn't pivot, it opens out. And it definitely has a Jetsons tube kind of feel, but there's nice, easy handles that allow you to open and close them. I'm 6 foot and you can see there's plenty of room in here. I have room to move around, which is nice, not your typical small tube shower. Then you're gonna have your toilet as always, and then over here on your vanity, you're gonna have your sink with shelving on both sides and some shelving underneath it. Plenty of storage for any of your toiletries that you need to bring with you. Guys, we hope this video is helpful, helping you understand what the difference is between a panoramic ocean view room and an infinite veranda on board the Celebrity Xcel. As always, if you found this video helpful, remember to like and subscribe, and you can always use the QR code here to have Amy book the perfect cruise on the perfect itinerary for you, maybe even on board the Celebrity Xcel. We appreciate you guys so much, and we will see you on the next one.